Yo guys, I found a brand new method to get Filza file manager on all iOS devices, guys, and all iOS versions. Any device, whichever you guys are on, guys, you can get this Filza file manager app straight on your device. It's like a 2-minute process. No computer is required, guys. You don't need to do any crazy steps or do anything to your device or anything like that to get this app on your phone or on your iPad or tablet, whichever you guys are on. And so let me just show you guys the app icon and everything. So it's called Filza File Manager. Like I said, you can use this. It's the best file manager for iPhone and iPad out there right now. And like I said, it works on iOS 18, 26, 27. No matter which version you guys are on, you won't get any revokes or anything like that from this, guys. It's honestly super cool. So yeah, it's way better than the iOS original file manager, like built into the app. Or into the OS, guys. So anyways, if you follow my instructions, I'll show you guys exactly how to do this. Like I said, it's like a 2-minute process. You get this on any device, guys, any version. Like I got it on my iPhone 15 Pro running flawlessly. It's absolutely awesome, guys. So like I said, no computer is required at all. You don't need a sideload or anything. You just do this straight off your phone, just using your browser, guys, and that's it. It's honestly such an easy method. Developers made it very, very simple. Okay, guys, so let's get into it and let me show you guys how to get this Filza File Manager app straight on your iPhone right now. Okay, guys, so the first thing you guys want to do to get this app is just make sure you're connected to the internet. First of all, I'm guessing you are, so you just want to pop open your browser, guys, and you want to just head on over to this place right here. So just get this typed into your browsers, guys, and you want to just hit the go button. And once you hit the go button, you want to just search for Filza. So, and once you search for, once you search for Filza, you want to just tap on that, guys. And so there it is, guys. Get Filza File Manager for all iOS and Android devices. So it also does work for Android as well. But I mean, this video is directed towards iOS users. So anyways, once you're at this screen, it's very simple. You just tap on here. And once you're there, guys, you want to just hit that start button. And once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now, once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Now, once you're at the setup wizard, you want to basically just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. Yeah, and basically when you do that, when you get those apps and do their instructions, it initiates a file transfer straight to your device for all the files for that Filza File Manager app. Within a few minutes of doing these steps correctly, the app will load. Working fully, guys. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. Okay, guys? So just take your time with it. Be patient. Don't rush through the steps or anything like that, and you will be good to go. The app will load with all the features working properly. And like I said, if it doesn't load, you need to do more of the apps, and just take your time with it. Okay? I recommend honestly just doing all the apps from the start, just so you don't need to keep going back and doing them over again. But I mean, it's up to you guys. But yeah, I mean, that's what I did, and it worked perfectly. Like I just did all the apps from the start, so I didn't need to keep going back. Okay, so anyways, guys, that's how to install Filza File Manager on iOS, iPhone, iPad in 2026 without computer, without jailbreak, without having a side load. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. Okay, see you in the next one.